Okay, here's another question here. The grade 8 fun day. School is organizing end of year fun day for their grade 8 students. 3 activities have been proposed to the students: go-karts, paintball, laser tag. The school will have to raise funds during the month of May for the end of year fun day. The following information is provided. So you have boys, girls, and the teachers, and how many there are of each. Then it gives you a bunch of information here about the boys, how many boys are doing this and that, how many girls are doing the 3 events, how many teachers are doing the 3 events. So we figure out how many there are doing each event, and then the price, right? The price for each event, and then to see how much money do they have to, how much money does the school need to raise. So let's make a nice table where we have, we add some more columns here. So we'll add the 3 events, and then the price, and then the total. So let's do that. So let's redo that table. Okay, so it says 9 boys are going to go-karts. So we have 9 boys going to go-karts. I'll put a 9 here. So we need some other boys going to the other events. It's 44 boys. 2/5 of the remaining boys choose paintball over laser tag. So if 2/5 of the remaining boys choose paintball, that means that 3/5 of the remaining will choose paintball. 2/5 of the remaining choose paintball, will choose laser tag. So 2/5 of the remaining. So what's remaining? So let's see, 44 minus 9, that's 35. Okay, so 35. So laser tag, what did we say? Laser tag is 3/5. So 3/5 times 35, right? 35 is remaining. 44 minus 9 is 35. So 3/5 of 35, that's 35 divided by 5 is 7 times 3, so 21. And then we just add them up, right? So it's got to be 14 here, which is 2/5. 2/5 times 35, that's 7, yeah. Okay, so now we know how many boys are going here, here, and here. We can multiply by the price. Actually, let's put the price in here. So go-kart is $15. Let's put the price here, $15 per participant. The cost of paintball is $20, so this is $20. And the laser tag is $7. $7. So we already have 15 times 9. Okay. So we're going to add them up at the end and then multiply by the price. So the girls, let's see what did they say about girls. 12 girls are doing laser tag. So I can put 12 here. Now 56 minus 12, that's 44. Am I right? 44? Yeah, so 44 girls are left. The ratio of, okay, there are 44 girls left, 1 to 3. So the ratio of girls who choose paintball over so there's 44 girls. So paintball, go-karts. I'm going to do the ratio thingy. Paintball, go-kart, total remaining is 44. And it's paintball over go-karts. The girl, okay, so it's 1 to 3. The ratio of girls who chose paintball over go-karts is 1 to 3. So 1 to 3. Paintball over go-karts? Does that mean that there's more paintball? So there should be 3 to 1? So since we have paintball, go-karts in that order, paintball, go-karts, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So maybe this is a bad word. We shouldn't write over. Maybe we should just write paintball 2 go-karts. Okay, so that's a better word. So it is 1 to 3. So that means, so how many girls doing paintball? How many doing go-karts? But there's a total of 44. 1 to 3, that makes 4 over here, right? So 1 to 3 is paintball to go-karts, which is a total of 4. But now I need 44, so just multiply by 11, right? So this is going to be 11 to 33. 11 to 33. All I did was multiply by 11 here. So now I know that there's 11 girls doing paintball. So I put 11 over here. And there are 33 over here. So this adds up to 56. Okay, now I have to do the teachers. Okay, so it says 40% of teachers choose laser tag. So laser tag, 40% choose laser tag. So that's just 0.4. 0.4 times 15, that's 6. Right? 6 teachers choose laser tag. I have 9 left. And then it says the rest of the teachers up here, the rest of the teachers choose go-karts. So there's 9 left, and they all choose go-karts. So this is 9. So I guess no teachers are going to paintball. And now we have the total for each event in each category. We have the prices. How much money does the school need to raise to cover the cost of activities? So all we have to do now is add up the totals and multiply by the price. So let's try go-karts. It's 9 plus 33 plus 9. Let's do that again. 9 plus 33 plus 9. That's 51. 51 times 15 times $15. So that's 51 times $15 for go-karts. $765 here. So $765 here. And then we got 21, that's 33. 33 and 6 is 39 times, what was the price of that? $7 times $7. What's 39 times 7? 39 times 7 equals $273. $273. This, and then here you gotta add up the last one. 25 times 20, that's $500, right? 25 times 20. 25 times 2 is 50. Let's just double check that. 25 times 2 is 50, 500. And then you add them all up, and you get 273 plus 500 plus 765 equals $1,538. $1,538.